Once Otter records your meeting, you can share the notes with your team in several ways: by email, link, export, or even just a specific section. Here's how each method works. Open any conversation and click the Share button in the top right. Type in the email address of the person you want to send it to, then choose their permission level. Collaborator lets them view, comment, and highlight while viewer is read only. You can also add a personal message before hitting share to send them a direct email link. To share via link, stay in that same share dialog and click the restricted dropdown. You can keep it private or switch it to anyone with the link to make it accessible to anyone who has the URL. Click copy link and paste it wherever you need, whether it's a Slack message, an email, or a group chat. If you need a hard copy, click the 3 dots at the top right and select Export. You can choose formats like DOCX, PDF, or SRT if you have a pro account. For free users, select TXT. Click Export and then Continue. Once the download is finished, you'll see the content ready in your notepad. If you only want to share a specific highlight, go to the Transcript tab and highlight the exact sentence or section you want. Click the Share icon to create a snippet. Just keep in mind, snippet links can't be revoked once they're created, so only use this for content you're comfortable sharing publicly. For total automation, go to Account Settings, then Meetings, and set your default audience for shared notes. If you select All Calendar Event Guests, Otter will automatically send the notes to everyone on the invite as soon as the recording is processed. No manual sharing required. That's sharing in Otter by email, links, exports, or snippets. You can revoke access anytime, except for snippets, and auto share handles the rest for your team automatically. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.